Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh handed over a total monetary assistance of over 5.25 crore rupees to 272 startup beneficiaries at the Manipur Startup Conclave 2020 at Imphal. The Chief Minister said that there is no dearth of talented and competence in the state, and the schemes will serve as an opportunity to those who have returned from the outside the state, leaving their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic, to set up their own business units. Here's a report. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh handed over a total monetary assistance of rupees 525.09 lakh to 272 startup beneficiaries at the Manipur Startup Conclave 2020 organized by the State Planning Department at the City Convention Centre, Imphal on Friday, 11 September. Those who receive assistance included 8 beneficiaries in stand-up category, 5 in revenue stage and 259 in idea stage of the scheme. Manipur Startup Scheme was launched in 2017 and 2018 to build a strong ecosystem for nurturing startups with an aim to drive sustainable economic growth and generate large-scale employment opportunities. 3 rounds of selections of beneficiaries have been conducted so far since 2017-18 and provided beneficiaries to 877 startups. A beneficiary can avail up to rupees 1 crore with 30% subsidy depending on the scale of their business. Speaking at the occasion as the chief guest, N. Biren Singh said that there is no dearth of talent and competence in the state. Manipur Startup was introduced to extend assistance and encouragement to hard-working young entrepreneurs. They have gained the much-needed impetus in their business ever since the scheme was introduced in 2017. Expressing satisfactions over the good understanding being maintained between the government and different banks in this regard, the Chief Minister said that it is due to this understanding that Manipur has been able to improve its economy in the past 3 years and a half. Informing that the state government is planning to provide bank loans to around 20,000 vendors whose business have been adversely affected by the prolonged lockdown, the Chief Minister urged the banks to expedite the process so that the vendors may restart their vending activities soon. While speaking to media person on the sideline of the program, the Chief Minister mentioning further about Manipur Startup said,
The startup is to employ the youths, unemployed youths, and to encourage the entrepreneurs. It started in the year 2015 by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, but in the state of Manipur it started after our government comes in 2017. So till now just we have expended around 30 crores and distributed to the entrepreneurs of the state. And I'm happy to learn that many entrepreneurs have expanded their business, and self-employment has been started increasing.
Biren added that he is pleased to see many local entrepreneurs are able to enter the global platform now after receiving assistance from the state government through the scheme.
Definitely now the Indian production have started selling outside the state, and the turnover has become from lakhs to crore now. Some of the beneficiaries, some of the entrepreneurs. So it is very encouraging, and our state government will continue to provide the youths, the talented entrepreneurs, those who are in need of the financial assistance will be provided startup funding.
New application for the 4th round will be opened very soon. It will serve an opportunity to those who have returned from outside the state, leaving their jobs due to COVID-19 pandemic, to set up their own business units here, the Chief Minister added. Textile Commerce and Industries Minister T.H. Bishwajit, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, Water Resources Minister Letpa Haukip, Public Health Engineering Minister Losadeko, among others, also attended the function. Manipur Startup has 4 categories: revenue, idea, entrepreneur support scheme and stand up Manipur, added in 2019-20 to promote first-time venture of the SC, ST, OBC, women, minority, differently able entrepreneurs. Bureau Report.